Yeah, I'm off someone's nose. They're on my right, so. Oh, and I've got someone to my left, so yeah.
On the starter. Copy. Clear.
Alright. Let's rearm. Fuel tank.
Request rearming. Copy.
Whoops, I did not want that. Yeah, now it's starting to rain.
Rearming complete.
Perfect flying weather.
Close my canopy so I don't get wet.
Let's do the patrol. Any objections to that?
I have no objection.
Sounds good to me.
We'll do the patrol. What do we got here?
I'll follow you on the
Juville,
patrol.
Rickville, Beaumont, Benay, Rogley. They're all neutral. Conch is neutral as well. So Everu is the first red. Everu, St. Andre. Basically, that's it. Everu and St. Andre over here.
Not even Danan?
Ronai, Argentan, Goulet are all neutral.
What about Danan?
Rigny's red. Danan should be red. Yeah, Danan's red. Avranches is neutral. Fleur is neutral. Ronai is neutral. So the closest one is Rigny. Really? Rigny and Everu. Everu has... Everu has methanol mix and gasoline. St. Andre has methanol mix and gasoline.
Where's Rigny?
V starts with V for Victor.
Oh,
Down below
Vigny. Okay.
Argentan.
Oh, I see Vigny.
Rigny has no methanol mix.
So we need... So what is it, Evinru?
Yeah, Everu. We can always refuel at Rigny if you haven't used your MW50. But if you have, then that's neutral. Lessay is neutral. They're all neutral. So we got nothing. Malpatus is closed. Yeah, they're all closed. Closed, yeah. So that's it then.
I mean, yeah, Evinru's a little further than Rigny. But okay.
All right, we've got quite a taxi. The aircraft should warm up on the taxi.
All right, so
I'm ready to move.
4 plus Tommy's now mid-channel at 4,000 meters north of Bayou, heading, I think that was something east. I did not check. I did not see it.
If you press escape, you've got a message history. And you can see all your messages there.
Formation 4 plus Tommy's now mid-channel at 4,000 meters, north of Bayou, heading southeast.
Heading toward us. Let's go. Don't know where they go. Look at this rain. Unbelievable.
I love it. Let's take off.
It used to be better before they... Now it's almost impossible to see.
Alright, let me know when you're rolling.
Okay, I'm rolling out now.
I'm
rolling.
Okay, I'm gonna start moving then. Are your canopies still open?
I'm keeping
mine
mine
isn't.
open so I can see.
Oh. I think I'm gonna have to do that too. Just get wet.
I cannot see.
Yeah. Yeah, so the advantage of VR is you can put your head outside the cockpit.
Oh, I could do that too.
Yeah.
To some degree.
What, with the window closed?
No, with that, no.
Yep. No, with the window closed.
He can put it out with the window closed.
Oh, that's
so with the
that's-
canopy closed,
That's cheating.
he can stick his head out.
That's cheating.
Yeah, I try not to do it when I'm flying, but sometimes you just do.
That's
It just happens. It just
Yeah,
happens.
I do sit on a swivel chair as well to help with my neck and looking backwards.
Alright. Alright, I see both of y'all rolling, and I'm gonna be coming up.
They should just have a little man that sits on the wingtip and directs us as we go.
Indeed. Pretty sure it just goes straight ahead here. Yeah, oil's warm.
All my temps are within the brackets.
Yeah, it's long taxi. Oh, who's that? Magoo?
Yeah, that's me. This is stopping off at the warm-up spot.
Nobody in front of me, good.
How far away are you?
I'm coming.
Oh, I think I see you.
Yeah, see, I think somebody is almost at the runway and somebody is parked about, what is that, 100, 150, maybe 100 meters behind?
Who Who's that? Is that someone flying?
Or somebody warming up their engine.
Not me.
Yeah, I'm sitting on the end of the runway warming up.
I'm
just off the
idling
runway
into
there.
700. Oh, so you are PMing up, are you?
Yeah, that's
Pirate
me.
radio check.
Loud and clear.
Thank you. Same.
Same what?
That I hear him loud and clear.
I didn't hear anybody. I only heard you, Pirate.
Oh.
Is your radio on? Oh. Oh, good.
Radio check.
Loud and clear.
Yeah, I heard that.
Radio check for
Yeah.
Braddocks.
Yep.
All
Heard
right.
you.
All right, we're good then.
Loud and clear.
Awesome. All right. Magoo, have you gone onto the runway yet?
Yeah, I'm sitting off on the side. I'm just waiting for you guys.
Ready?
I am behind. I'm more or less here. I'm just kind of don't want to go too far so I don't run into anybody.
St Andre traffic to 3 ship 109, taking off from 1.31. No one coming in. No one coming from the other end. Who knows in this rain? I'm going runway right. So we'll do a right-hand turn.
Yeah, with this weather, just stay low until we form up. Yeah.
Yep, copy that.
Getting onto the taxiway here, closing canopy. All right, let's go.
Our wheels locked.
I'm gonna head over.
Ready.
I'll be third chair over here behind Pirate.
Go.
Okay, so our course is going to be 290 coming off St Andre.
Are you just gonna fly out? No orbit.
I'll do an orbit till everybody gets in the air, and then we'll head off at 290 at cloud base.
Copy.
Right. Everyone ready?
Make sure everyone's got their artificial horizon on after my mistake last time.
Yep. Throttling up. Rolling.
Tail wheel locked. All right. Hey, the rain stopped.
For now.
That is correct for
Coming
now.
up.
Copy that.
Wheels up.
All right. Throttling up.
Right, unlock. Governor off. Lights off. Stay right
Ooh,
to it. Throttling back to 1.3.
Ooh.
1.3.
Ooh. Uh-oh. Wheels up. Governor off. Making my right-hand turn. Lights off.
Like cloud base about 500. Is everyone airborne?
Airborne.
Copy.
I'm completing the first turn now. Everyone
I'm just
happy
coming
if
up
I
on your
out on
six.
290 now?
Two's good.
All right.
Coming out on 290. And throttling back to 1.1 until Braddock's catches up.
Alright, hold on. It's so hard to see
Level
y'all.
up to 400. Lights are on.
Oh, I see you. Never mind.
Lights are off.
I have no idea if my wheels are up.
Can you not see the light?
There's no light indication for either.
Yeah, you're too far away for me to see it.
Yeah, I'm coming up on you. Give me a second. I mean, I've put my gear up. I have no indication. I may have damaged my gear as I took off.
Sounds like it. Well, I'm going to start a right-hand turn. About 30 degrees of bank. Until we can check his gear out.
Copy.
Got my lights on.
I see y'all.
Yeah, I put mine on as well. It's getting pretty murky out here.
Pirate, I should be at you about 4 o'clock.
No joy.
Passing in front of you? Almost?
Still no joy. Oh yeah, I got you. Yeah.
Yeah, I got.
Yeah. You undercarriage is down.
Ah.
All right, let's head back.
Ah, crap. Alright.
Right, heading
Good
120.
Good landing practice.
I'm pretty sure that's us there. That chimney. Coming right. Yeah, it's the airfield. Throttling back to 1.0.
I keep losing visual on y'all.
I got my lights on.
Well, I ain't gonna lie, that.
My heading's 150.
Oh, there you go. I see you now.
I'm just over the end of 3-1 now. Or coming up on the end of 3-1.
Oh, here we are. Okay. Y'all staying up or going in?
Oh, I'm happy to stay up.
So,
Buckaroo?
so that's runway 31?
Yeah, I'll stop.
Yeah, that should be 3-1 there.
St. Andre traffic. One flight 109 headed in for final approach on runway 31.
Do a bit of formation practice. Don't do anything too drastic.
Okay. Copy that. Where are you? Oh yeah. Nice. I'll just try and keep it steady. Oh, where are you going? And you'll throttle up to 1.1 to get a bit more, 1.15 just to get a bit more control.
Yeah, copy.
Be careful, we're coming up over the runway.
Alright, I'm just gonna switch aircraft here.
Might be faster just do a repair, would it?
Whoops. Okay, never mind. Well, that's answered that question.
What's that?
Well, selected a different role.
That's all right. You're pretty quick. And you don't need to warm up because the taxi will warm it up.
On the starter. Copy.
I don't know what happened on that last takeoff. I don't know if the wind was an issue or I just kind of went sideways.
Mate. Shit happens to us all, doesn't it? Just ask Spec.
No, I kind of want to... I'll have to look at it again, but I was confused as to... I don't know. Don't get me wrong. I have bad takeoffs, but it's never really that bad.
I think
My
Spec's
understanding is half of the deaths in these aircraft were in the 109 was from ground handling or takeoff accidents.
Yeah.
Request rearming.
Okay, oxygen.
Copy.
While I wait for rearming, I'm a rev.
Rearming complete.
Yeah, this time we should be right over him.
Alright, let's get rolling.
Bring us in nice and long.
Well, if you haven't uncaged your horizon, you can do that now.
I'm coming in.
I hear y'all.
I see him there. He's pulling out of his little hangar. Came back up to 200. It'd be really nice to have some decent trim in these, you know.
No, I agree.
Like the American Warbirds.
Yeah, like the pony. Oh, I love that one because you can trim.
Yeah, the pony or the
all sorts of stuff.
or the jug.
47's better. The pony's just always putting itself out of balance again with fuel.
Yeah.
Yeah, constantly you have to, like, as you feel yourself start falling to one side, you just flip your fuel tanks over and it rebalances itself out over time.
Oh, much there.
Yeah, so I've got one of these new force feedback joysticks ordered. And
Oh, really?
I'm not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing, because now when I'm flying this, I go out for a 2-hour mission, I'm having to hold it off slightly all the time.
Yeah, yeah. It's a good workout.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I think it'll make the flying these things easier.
Okay, here we go again. See if we can spot him.
I would say having pedals for the 109 is very useful.
Force feedback ones. Yeah, I think someone's coming out with
there he
force
is.
feedback pedals.
Here he is. I see him.
Yeah, I'm almost there. As long as I don't do something stupid and have a shit takeoff again.
Oh, I'd be more worried about us crashing. Or shall I say me crashing into you?
Have some confidence in yourself.
This is runway 31 again?
Yep.
Alright.
I always get them in that one and Villa mixed up. I think Villa is 3-0. Maybe it's 3-1 as well.
Had a bit of a lag spike. I think I'll open it up a little bit.
St. Andre traffic, 109, ready for departure on runway 31. Alright.
Holding tight formation is quite enjoyable for some bizarre reason.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Don't watch. God, it's raining now.
Well, we're on the other side of the circle at the moment.
I can't see shit now. Alright.
In fact, if you want to fly straight off and take off on 290, we'll catch up to you.
Rolling.
Just let us know. Okay, you're rolling now.
Yeah, just let him concentrate.
Oh, much better.
Straightening up.
I am wheels up. I have my, I guess, course.
Straight for that chimney.
Let's get my
Throttling back to 1.1.
horizon uncaged. Alright.
Governor set right.
Governor should be set right. I have no eyes on y'all. My lights are still on.
On the Bradix's 6. Coming left onto Bradix's 6.
My lights are still on.
Copy that. So am mine.
I'm running at 1.1.
Throttling up to 1.3. You have visual, Magoo?
Oh, I do not.
He's on our 11 o'clock.
Shottic flare.
Copy.
Flare. He's sort of disappearing in the cloud. What altitude are you at?
350.
Coming left. Are you on 290?
Not anymore. Oh, dang. I drifted way off course. Am I going the right direction here? Yep.
Come left to 290.
Coming left to 290.
I'm going to climb.
Are you going to go through the clouds?
Negative.
Alright.
I've come too far, Magoo. Coming back to the right a little bit.
Oh, I got eyes on him now.
I'm roughly, what is that? 280, 270.
Yeah, keep your distances a little bit. I'm noticing a bit of rubber banding.
Visual.
Alright. We got a nice little dry patch in front of us on our right. I see y'all. Somebody is at my 4 o'clock.
That's me.
Yeah, I'm right behind you.
Running 1.3 at it. Lights are off.
Copy that. I'm still at 1.1. Oh, you disappeared for me.
I'm on your 6.
Okay.
Yeah, I've got you. We staying under this, or are we gonna climb out?
We want to head at 290. If we climb up, we won't be able to see where we are.
Yeah, there's a lot of cloud
Yeah,
cover.
copy.
If we stay at cloud base, it'll be very difficult to spot us.
All right. Pirate, you want to
Copy.
lead?
Yeah, copy that.
All right, so you're at 290.
Yeah, 290.
Okay.
I'll form up on your left,
I'm
on your right, I mean.
Okay, I will stay on the left then.
Yeah, copy that. Yep.
Ooh, stay down.
So I guess it is a workout then, the force feedback joystick.
Well, we'll find out soon enough. I think I get it about the end of October.
Yep.
Pirate, what's your ATA?
1.3.
Copy that.
Pirate, you say you turned your lights off? It looks like your lights are on.
No, there you go, lights are on.
Yeah, lights are on now. Lights are off.
Yeah, lights are off now.
Oh, the lovely rain. Now your lights are on.
Yeah, I'm right on cloud base, so trying to make it easy. You guys keep an eye on me.
Roger that.
Yeah, funnily enough, I can't see them though.
Really? Sounds a little strange.
It's weird, isn't it?
Doing about 490.
Copy that, about the same.
1,000. It's not even 1,000. It's 800 meters. Yeah. Okay, so we're looking for a Linerol airfield, basically. Or Carpet K. Carpet K airfield. If you see them, yell out.
Well, I'll let you know if I see anything.
Copy.
Okay, that. Not sure what town that is. That could be Hughville over there.
All right, I see an airfield on my left around 10 o'clock. That looks like, I don't know.
Oh yeah.
Oh shit.
3, 1, 2, 4, and 2. That should be Broglie, I think.
That could be Broglie.
Yeah, it is Broglie. So we've drifted a little way north.
I've lost eyes on everybody.
Okay. Okay, heading is
I am in the, okay, I see.
290. Heading is 290. Altitude is 750 meters.
I see somebody on my 3 o'clock.
I have my lights
Yeah,
on.
that's me.
Okay. All right, coming right a little bit.
I'm going to drop down a bit. Wow, the weather's really low now.
All right, Pirate, I see you.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, where am I?
You're
In
at
relation
my 1 o'clock or 1:30 low.
Yeah, I think we're still off to the east of Carpacay.
Yeah. You still got me?
I got you. I'm back. I'm at your probably 8 o'clock. You're a lot lower than I thought you would be.
Yeah, to make it easy to see me.
Correct.
What's your radar at?
1.3. I can slow down.
Struggling to keep up. Yeah, if you could, I'm just struggling to keep up at the moment.
1.0 till you catch up.
Thank you.
Yeah, I don't see you.
Green flare.
No, I'm sorry, Pirate. I see you.
Oh,
I don't
sorry.
see Mr. Magoo here.
Yeah, I'm behind you off at your 4 or 5 o'clock. Somewhere. Just passing over where that flare was now.
Copy that.
Oh, I can't see anything again. Here I'm climbing again. What was we on? 270. That's probably about right. Just check. I need to be 290. Coming right to 290. What's that over there? I recognize.
Okay, we're together now.
Copy that. Going up to 1.3. And 290.
Okay, we've got smoke right in front of us. That'll be
Yep.
Khan, I imagine.
Yeah, see the smoke.
290. No, that shouldn't be calm. Yeah, that'll be. Yeah, you're right. 100%. Yeah, sorry. So we want to be just left of that. So I'm going to come around.
Coming left.
To about good spotting. Right there. So we've got a course of 270. It looks like. Yeah. Stay on this course. Oh, that might be too far left. Alright, turning my lights off.
There's smoke to our right at 2 o'clock as well.
Yeah, copy.
No joy.
I think it, well,
Oh, it was off in the haze. Yeah, I've lost it
it's
now
in the
as well.
haze, yeah. I think that's you, Magoo. Oh, okay, you climbed, okay.
Yeah, I'm back at 350 meters.
Try and give a little bit of space between us and the red stuff.
Joined red. There's a few in here. Should you have to bring up the? There's a way to bring up a list of everybody who's in the mission,
Right.
and there's like a ban list button on it as well. But I don't know how to bring it up. I don't know what it's called.
I would say all the blue guys are probably going to be above the clouds.
I thought I saw a flash of green right in front of us on the horizon just a second ago, but it might have been my imagination.
Just confirming, cannon charged.
Oh, safety off,
Weapons
yes.
armed and safety's off.
Weapons armed.
Still running fuel.
P-trap off at 3 o'clock.
Visual.
All right, copy that. Is that Kaborg on fire over there?
Yeah. It is. Yep. Very good. So we are just south of there, so that's good. Sure, we're on 290, just coming right a little bit to 290. And we'll just have a quick look at... Oh, this one doesn't let you bring up the mission thing. Can anyone else bring up the F10 menu? No?
I mean, I can bring up the map, but not. I don't think the mission.
Not the menu, like the... there's Carpicate. According to the map, we want to be just south of the Carpicate.
Yeah,
so
it's not letting me do it for some reason.
All right,
Of course, we're on, stay on
Okay.
290.
hold on. So if we're over con, there is.
Okay, eyes sharp, guys.
All right, where are?
Carpicate at 2 o'clock. Just drifting up. Stay on this course. should hit patrol zone A. But we're looking out for another airfield. The dirt strip. Funny shape, looks a bit like a bug. Little lineroll.
Oh, Lineral. So if
Copy.
Lineral, we need to come. I think left.
Should be straight ahead.
Straight ahead.
The reckoning should be right. 290.
Okay, hold on. Let me check. So we've passed Con. Carpet K should be on our left somewhere.
We've passed Carpet K.
Okay, we passed Carpet K.
We're well past Carpet K.
And
Lineroll should be on our 12 o'clock somewhere, in fact.
Okay.
Everyone's looking out for fighters, yep. I'll look for the airfield, everyone look for fighters.
Copy.
Yeah, visual on the airfield, 12 o'clock.
Okay. I've lost. Okay, I have visual on somebody on my right.
I'm wiggling my wings.
No,
Oh, not wiggling
okay,
your wings.
Pirate, you're at my 2 o'clock. Looking for fighters. Seeing some rainbows.
Visual on the field.
Is that the one at our 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock?
I'm coming right a little bit to make sure that we're inside the
On my 12.
patrol zone.
Okay. Coming through a break in the clouds over here on my left.
Yeah, so new heading is now. Yeah, that'll do it. Our new heading is 330.
Okay, I'm way away from y'all.
And that should be it. That should be the patrol zone.
How long do you have to stay in the patrol zone to...
You just have to cross it. You just have to cross it, basically. I'm coming left now.
Yeah, copy.
Nice 45-degree bank. We're going to just skirt this airfield. This airfield is currently neutral. So we should have no AAA here.
I'm trying to spot y'all. I'm coming right.
Yeah, so we're turning left.
Well, you're turning left. I see the airfield at my 12 o'clock, and I turned
We're
right.
turning left, and we're now just to the east of the west of the airfield, northwest of the airfield, turning around it.
Oh God, I don't see y'all.
I think I see you.
I'm coming right.
That's all right. Now you take out on a heading of what do we want? We'll try 120.
Heading 120.
Yeah.
At 110, 120.
You want to drop back on the power of it? It's a bit hard to keep up with you.
Certainly 1.1.
What were you at? 1.3?
Yes.
Yeah, if you maintain like about a 1.2, then I should be able to give
Okay,
us a
copy that.
a little headroom.
Copy that.
I have no eyes on y'all.
We're on your 6.
Okay, you're on my 6. I believe that's a heading of 120.
Perfect.
Don't quote me on it though. Alright, dropping back to 1.1.
Yeah, we're on 1.1.
1.0.
That's right. 1.0.
Coming through a gap. Don't see anything.
Still on 120?
Yeah, give or take.
Oh, I got you.
And I've got you.
Okay. It's on my 1 o'clock.
Yeah, copy. I still can't see him. I'm coming up on your right hand side.
Copy.
Should be 110.
Tracer off 3 o'clock. So
3 o'clock.
ground
Let's go
fire.
investigate.
Let's go
Let's go
investigate.
investigate. Coming right.
Coming right, upgrading to 1.3.
Yep. ATA 1.4.
1.4.
Okay, do I see you?
It seems like they're shooting through the clouds.
Yeah, I'm on your 4 o'clock.
Yeah, I'm just looking for Braddocks.
Shot a green flare. I'm a venture a
Yeah,
guess
see
they're
that?
they're above
Got you.
they're above
Visual.
the clouds. Oh, you're on my 3 o'clock. I'm on your 9.
I
They
wouldn't
got,
say
they
that.
got green tracers, so they should be fairly low.
Well,
Yeah, that's what
above the
I
clouds.
see it. Visual.
Where?
The single. He's just diving in toward the green tracer now.
Green tracers.
He's just above it.
Follow you.
Oh, I see. I got visual.
Oh, I got visual.
He's going above the clouds. Looks like either a P-47 or a Spit.
Yeah, so it's a 47.
Oh shit! Really?
No, guys! What the hell? You just ran into each
Did I smash into?
Oh god! Fuck!
Unbelievable.
Okay.
Well,
Go
that'd be
get
real
him.
life for you.
Go get him, Magoo. Go get him, Magoo.
That's gonna go on the highlight reel.
I was zoomed right in. You got to be joking, mate. Oh no. Shit. So did you see that happening, or you just saw the smash?
I saw
I saw the smash.
Oh mate.
I saw the smash.
Yeah. I'm wondering what the hell happened.
I'm sorry.
I thought I got hit from behind by someone.
It's screwed up, but it's funny.
Yeah. Yeah.